So today I'll be talking about what happens to a woman's genitals and to her body system generally when she abstains from intimacy for a period of 6 months. I'll be talking about the bad part and then the good part of this. Number one thing that happens to a woman, to her genitals and her body system when she abstains from intimacy for a period of 6 months is that this woman will start feeling dryness in her VJ. She will start feeling dryness in her VJ because there is no the bodily glands that releases fluid to lubricate the genitals is not being stimulated. What makes the Bartholin's gland to be stimulated so that it can release fluid is because of the feeling. There is no romance anywhere because you are abstaining for a very long time, a period of 6 months. So the Bartholin's gland will not be able to do its work because nothing is stimulating it, nothing is triggering it to release this fluid. So the number one thing that this woman will face is dryness of the VJ. Alright, so the next one that this woman may suffer is what is called tight VJ. The VJ will tend to tighten up in a way that when this woman wants to resume sex again, she's going to feel so much pain, and then the tissue of the VJ will become so tiny, it becomes so thin that any small pressure, any forceful pressure will cause it to tear up, and by the time it tears up, that's why you see some blood coming out. Some women, they will be like, after abstaining for a longer period, I became a virgin again. No, you did not become any virgin. What makes a woman to be a virgin is because of the hymen. So long the hymen is not present, you are not a virgin. What really happened is that there is a tightening up of the VJ, and then the tissues of the VJ becomes very thin, that any forceful pressure can cause it to tear up and then cause injury to you. So this is what happened to the so the next thing that will happen to this woman is that she will become so worried. Anxiety will kick in. Why? Because there are these hormones that their duty in the body is to make you feel good, to make you relax a bit, which is oxytocin and dopamine and other hormones. And these hormones are only released during sexual activity. So when you abstain for a long time, for a period of 6 months and above, you are sure going to miss the activity of this hormone, which will make you to now start feeling so anxious. You'll be so worried about things, nothing comes to you, that nothing makes you to feel good. All right. So when you abstain, the work of these hormones will be absent in your body, thereby directly making you to feel so anxious. So the only good part about abstaining is one thing, which is focus, less of distraction. Nobody distracts you, and it may help you to be more productive, more focused on things you want to do, maybe on your work, on your business. But when you weigh the two, the advantage and the disadvantage, you will see that the advantage is more than the disadvantage.